Welcome back to Grammar Fundamentals for the SAT. This is Chapter 9, Lesson 68, the last of our usage glossary. Today, from respectfully to whom. Welcome to the final stretch of the glossary, from respectfully to whom. First, two sound-alikes. Respectfully means with respect, treating someone politely. Respectively means in the order named, as in, Lena and Omar finished first and second, respectively. Next, than and then. Than is a conjunction used in comparisons. Taller than me. Then is an adverb meaning at that time, or next, we ate, then we left. If you're comparing, it's than with an A. Now, two verb pairs. Sit means to be seated and takes no object. Sit down here. Set means to place something and usually takes an object. Set the cup on the table. Just like lay and lie, the one that takes an object is set. And watch your tenses. Says is present. Said is past. Yesterday she said, not yesterday she says. Use says only for the present, like the sign says stop. Two final rules. Who is a subject. Whom is an object of a verb or a preposition. Who painted it? But to whom was it sent? We covered the he-him trick back in Lesson 53. Use it here too. And lastly, never tack here or there onto this or that. It's this tool, not this here tool. That tree, not that there tree. The here and there are redundant. And that completes our usage glossary. Let's practice. Choose the word that fits. Pause and try each one before I answer. The invitation blank requests our presence at the wedding. The meaning is with respect, so the answer is respectfully. Don't blank that dish on the new table. There's an object, dish, so we use the place verb. So the answer is set. Last summer I was thinner blank I am now. This is a comparison, so we use the conjunction. So the answer is than. Three more. Choose the fix or correct as is if it's already right. Whom is the cat's owner? The word is the subject of is, so it should be who. So the fix is who. This here weather makes me lazy. Never add here after this, so it should be this alone. Last evening, the newscaster says we would have snow today. Last evening is past, so it should be said. Let's wrap up, and with it, the whole usage glossary. Respectfully means with respect. Respectively means in the order named. Than is for comparisons. Then is for time. Sit takes no object. Set does. Says is present. Said is past. Who is a subject. Whom an object. And never add here or there to this or that. Master these commonly confused words, and your writing will sound polished and precise. Great work! In the next lesson, we begin Chapter 10 on capitalization.